Microsoft Azure. Now, what is Microsoft Azure? Microsoft Azure is a public cloud platform with more than 200 products and services accessible over the public internet. Like other public cloud vendors, Azure manages and maintains hardware, infrastructure, and resources that can be accessed for free or pay per use on demand basis. Azure is the number 2 public cloud provider as of the second quarter of 2021. AWS controlled 31% of the market, Microsoft Azure took 22%, and Google Cloud sat at 8% market share. According to Statista, uh, Azure has a global network of regions, availability zones, and data centers. Azure regions are placed strategically all over the world to cover as large a percentage of the potential cloud customer as possible. Regions include Central US, Norway West, Brazil South, West India, South Africa North, Australia East, and everywhere in between. Each region consists of one or more data centers and availability zones, which are made up of one or more data centers equipped with independent power cooling and networking. This means that a service in an availability zone will keep running if one of the parts of the zone becomes unavailable. Services provided by Microsoft Azure, Azure DevOps, Azure Blob Storage, Azure Virtual Machines, Azure Backup, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Logic Apps, Azure Active Directory, API Management, Azure Content Delivery Network, Azure Site Recovery.